Hello everybody, I am Gaetan, I am the CEO of Gage Labs. Are you ready to be serious about your business? So that is the main topic of the series of classes we are proposing. And by it what we mean is that we want to help people having an online shop, an online business, whatever they sell online, to make sure that they don't fail. Because we have many years of experience serving customers from all countries worldwide, and we have collected patents which we are pretty sure will help customers to prevent their business from failure. So that's the minimal set of a guarantee preventing the business from failing. And then on the other end, the precondition is that the shop owners are really serious about their business and about what they do. They face many challenges according to setting up their platform, according to maintaining the platform, to managing then also the vendors, if they have a marketplace, a so-called marketplace, so meaning other people sell in their platform, according to the payments, according to taxes, shipping, many technical things, many things according to the country regulations, according also to management or managerial things, entrepreneurial, how WordPress WooCommerce works, because also we are working with WordPress WooCommerce, suggesting that in my view it is the best option for e-commerce, because being cheap and because having a lot of benefits. Basically, if we do it right, but if we do it wrong, that can be the worst option, basically. And now within this series here, just a short words about our product, SCM, Smart Currency Manager, which is part of these classes and of these workshops, where we provide a couple of hints to people how they can make their platform successful. One main point thereby is to say, okay, how do you handle international customers? So that's the question. How do you handle international customers? Because doing that, you can across with international currencies or with foreign currencies, with payments, and also how do you handle international suppliers, so or international vendors. So that is also a similar topic. Here we will jump into describing the features quickly of the Smart Currency Manager, because the Smart Currency Manager, as his name says, manage currencies in many ways according to payments. According to payments means you can use it to make payments with many payment methods worldwide. So you can use it to sell worldwide, basically. You can use it with different websites by WordPress or different product types by WordPress. You can use it also, as I said here from the beginning, for marketplaces. So you can use it for Docain, for WCFM, for WCMP, for WC vendors, for it, and also newly you can also use it for WC. Yeah, okay, so it's okay. So that are the five. Excuse me. So by the installation, you can install the plugin. So as usual, but I wanted to, let's say, notice it, because you can install a plugin into WordPress WooCommerce automatically. That is the left hand side of the description or at the right hand side you can describe it manually. But we recommend you to describe it automatically. I make a small pause. You can also pause the video on your side if you want to have more information, but basically that's it, what you can do accordingly. And here, which features you have, that is also an introduction, will be extended. You have general settings, basically. You have currency settings, and you have also, we can go behind, you can see here general settings, currency settings. You have a license manager to manage your license, and also a help support tab. The general settings is for the main functionalities. For example, you can decide about the intervals of the updates. You can decide also about customizing the exchange rates. So basically, you can decide about the exchange rates you want to have within your system. And here you can also say that you want to have a multiple currencies payment. So meaning you want people to pay in their currency, otherwise people can only pay in your currency. And or if you want, people can see the prices in their currency but pay in your currency. So some people want to have it. And here, that was the exchange rates I was talking about. You can for sure delete everything from the cache when you deinstall the plugin, so that you don't have your information stored anywhere. So here by the currency settings, you also have a lot of features. So for example, here you can already filter the currencies based on the user's location. So here, you can also describe how many currencies do you want to be available in your platform. You can put all worldwide, all currency worldwide will be in, or you can filter the one you want to have. You can define your default currency. You can describe whether you want to have a display of the decimal numbers. So basically, whether you want to have full numbers or numbers with decimal in your platform, and further settings around. Yeah, so that is again the summary of what I said so far. And also you can continue then defining, for example, the widget. We will introduce the widget into the next communication, because we have actually 5 different widgets we offer. We are implementing the number 6, and the widget is a very broad topic in our product, and we will get into this by the next communication. So exactly, so that's all from my side for this short communication and introduction. I didn't want to make it too long, so that the video isn't too long. Thank you for attending. Let me know if you have any questions, any messages, any remarks, any suggestion, and so on. And just visit our website to get more information about the plugin. You can also book us for a special counseling, where you can we can support you on your specific let's say request. You can find a link for the special counseling on our product page within our website, and you can also register within our website for the next class. What you can also do while registering, you will get then a code which will help you to have save 70% discount on the purchases on our website. Please take the chance to have this discount code. It will help you also to have a discount on the Smart Currency Manager product. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Take care. See you. Goodbye.